Namaskaram. This is Namasha Prajapati and I am a Bharatanatyam dancer. Today I'll be reciting the KARTARIMUKHA Hasta Vinyogas for you guys, after which I'll be saying the meaning of the same. So let's start. KARTARIMUKHA Hasta Stri Punshos Vishleshe Viparyasapadepiva Lunthane NAYANANTE-CORNER BHEDABHAVANE विद्युत अर्थे एकशय्याविरहे पतने तथा लतायां युज्यते अस्तु सकरः कर्तरिमुखः. Okay, so now I'll be telling the meaning of the same. So let's start. Stri Punshos to Vishleshe, separation of men and women. Viparyasapadepiva, opposition. Lunthane, to roll. Nayanante-cha, corner of eyes. Marane, death. Bhedabhavane, caste differences. Vidyut arthe, lightning. Ekasayyavirahhe, to sleep. Patane tatha, to fall down. Latayam, a creeper. Yujyate astu, sakarah kartarimukha, to show the following things KARTARIMUKHA Hasta is used. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope the video would be helpful to you. Thank you.